Here. In today's video, we're going to be working on the Honda. Alright guys, first thing we're going to do is remove, holy crap. Wow-wee. So, the tripod's actually really screwed up. I might as well go ahead and break it off. Here's a piece of it. Well, that's great. This piece is all messed up now. So I was totally meant no tripod from now on, guys. So what we're going to do now, is what I was going to show you a few minutes ago, is I actually fixed the seat piece. That way now, I used to have to mess with it a bunch. Now all you gotta do is, it's a regular four-wheeler now. It's hard to do with one hand. There you go. I'm actually gonna, let me set this up against the bank and show you guys. None of this was missing nuts on all these. I redone all of them that and was gone, so I didn't get to put one in that one. Otherwise I would have done it, but that's how it's supposed to be. And if Sam's watching this, this was what was bent, and that's what didn't make it work right. And all I gotta do now is push this that much, and seat works now. Tell how that works. I'm gonna pull this muffler off. This thing's running like crap. If you've seen the last video, so I'm gonna pull these clamps off this one, and there's another one right here, and we're just gonna straight pipe it and see how it sounds. If it sounds all right, I mean, it sounds all right. You know what I'm saying, guys? If you're gonna remove your muffler, I'm not for sure if yours might have a different mount or a different bolt, but I'll go ahead and tell you the bolt sizes and everything. Bolt right here is a 9/16. This one is a 1/2 inch, but a 12mm fits it better. You don't need this clamp very loose. You just need it about that loose, because it's all it does is squeezing down on the pipe. You don't need it loose at all. For you guys that haven't heard this before, I'm gonna start it up real quick. That's what it sounds like with this muffler. It's an FMF pipe. I'll give it a roll rev. See, it's dying. The carburetor's bad, so don't worry about that. I'm still going to sand her though. My hammer here. Probably need to do this with both hands, so I'll pull it off. God, I hope the video's not sideways, but here is with the pipe completely out, as you can see. All that at the end is just carbon buildup and stuff. But the pipe is off. I don't know if it's going to be very easy getting back on, but there it is. Let me pick up these tools, and we'll give her a crank. R.I.P. tripod. I'll probably throw something like this on here. No, I'll throw this on there for sure. For sure. So we got her exhaust. And again, I'm going to clean my stuff up real quick. Alright, so we're going to give her a crank. I don't know why I'm talking about it like a idiot, but let's see what she sounds like. Oh my god, it's kind of quiet. Alright guys, it's actually pretty badass. I mean, it's kind of funny, but I'm going to try to put it in reverse, holding you guys. It's kind of hard. I'll set you guys on the seat. Alright, I'm in reverse. Oh shit, I forgot about the gas. It might sound like shit to you guys, but oh my god guys, this is hilarious. Hold on a second. And yes, it does smoke a little bit. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna try shit in a second. Oh, the muffler fell off. I'm gonna try shit back into first. Let me try to get a view under there. It actually sounds pretty mint. Let me try to put that muffler back on. I'm gonna try to turn around without it falling off. It actually kind of stayed on there. I'm gonna check and make sure I didn't lose a clamp, because I ain't for sure if I left that exhaust clamp on that muffler or not. Which it was kind of dumb, but let's see. Yeah, it's still on there. I don't know why I left it there. Is this hot? No, this ain't that hot. I bet the clamp is though. Well, not really. I'll put this clamp on the hood of the truck just for now. But it's pretty mint, guys. Let me try to get something else. Oh my God, guys. Third now. I'm gonna shift down back into first. So good in person. It probably don't sound that good on camera. It's all in it. Pipe down. Hot? There we go.
Remember, kids, say no to carbon dioxide.
What'd you say?
Or do that.
Thanks, guys. That's a wrap. See you guys in the next one.